delicious and spicy chili lime shrimp, coated in fresh herbs, jalapeno peppers, and of course, plenty of garlic. Hey friends, welcome back. Are you looking for a recipe that's spicy, delicious, cheap, budget-friendly, and just takes a couple of minutes to make? Well, today I got the perfect recipe for you. This dish just takes a couple of minutes to throw together the marinade. We pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Takes about 3 minutes to cook, and we got the perfect weeknight dinner that everyone's gonna love. So the thing I love about shrimp is, while prices have gotten absolutely ridiculous, you can usually find frozen shrimp at the supermarket for a pretty good price. So I actually got these jumbo shrimp for about $6, $7 a pound, which, you know, today ain't bad at all. So let's get started, guys. So we're gonna use some fresh garlic, some fresh herbs, a little bit of lime juice, lime zest, hot sauce to tie the room together, and man, you're gonna love it. Friends, if you haven't already, ask that you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. I make new videos on Thursdays and Sundays, so if you enjoy this content and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm electing for something a little bit more mild, moderate heat, so we're using one fresh jalapeno. You could also use a habanero pepper or Fresno chili. It's gonna come together beautifully. All right, we're gonna start our shrimp marinade by throwing in some extra virgin olive oil. Make sure to throw in enough to coat the shrimp beautifully. Next, we're gonna hit it with a splash of your favorite hot sauce. For this recipe, I definitely recommend using a hot sauce that has a lot of vinegar in it. The vinegar is gonna help to balance our marinade perfectly. Next, we're gonna zest a lime. Next, grab that lime that you zested up and squeeze out all of the juice. Every last drop. Next, we're going to take our seasoning mix that has salt, pepper, red pepper, cumin, and chili powder. As always, I got a description of everything right below. Okay, next, I got some fresh jalapeno, fresh garlic, and chopped parsley. Like I already said, feel free to use cilantro, whatever you're feeling. So we're gonna get that jalapeno in there and that fresh garlic. And we're gonna do a little bit of that parsley, but most of that's gonna come in at the end, but we wanna get a little bit of that on there now. We got everything in here. We're gonna just give this a good mix. All right, now that we got this mixed up, we're gonna cover it, put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. We don't want this to marinate too long because otherwise the citrus is going to start to cook the seafood. All right, y'all, it's been about 30 minutes. We've let that chili lime shrimp marinate in the juice, the chili powder, the fresh jalapeno, the fresh garlic. And we got a pan that's scalding hot with some olive oil. So this only takes a couple of minutes. You don't want to go anywhere. Now, it's okay to get some of the liquid from the marinade in the pan. But if you made your marinade more liquidy than I did, you're gonna wanna be careful about not dumping it all in there. So you're gonna wanna give this about 90 seconds on each side, maybe 2 minutes. You wanna keep a very close eye on it. This doesn't take long, and the worst thing you can do to shrimp, seafood in general, is overcook it. So you just wanna watch it, wait till it gets some color on the bottom, and then it's time to flip. And the smell, man, the smell, you're gonna have all the neighbors coming after you, man. So look, you can see already right here, we're getting some color. So as soon as that starts to happen, you can flip your shrimp. You don't wanna flip these over and over, but once you get a little bit of color, it's safe. So look, once we get that beautiful, beautiful color we're looking for, our shrimp are starting to curl up a little bit. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of fresh herbs, a little cilantro, a little parsley. Dealer's choice, baby. And then it's time to serve. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna wanna get some of that delicious sauce and drizzle it, baby. This stuff's gold. Finally, we wanna make sure you just hit it with a little bit more fresh herb at the end. Because why the heck not? Boom. This dish is great with rice and noodles, but as you can see, you can eat it right by itself. All right, you already know what time it is, guys. Not gonna overtalk it. We got these beautiful citrus chili lime shrimp with some fresh jalapeno, fresh garlic. I'm going to go in with this guy. This one honestly looks as good as it can look. You got a little extra fresh herb on it. You can see the garlic just glistening off of it. Rockstar. A full pound of this stuff with everything you see here, everything you need to make it, costs about $10, you know, and it's about $5 a serving. It's nuts. That's wild. We ain't get no better than that. Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.